Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart. And, we talked about this yesterday. Band ride, couple days off, 9-day simple moving average support, back up. And the bulls did what I told them that they needed to do, which was to go make another all-time high. We backed off a little bit overnight, did basically high 50s, never remotely threatened the weekly pivot down in the 48 area. And now we're back up trading, 67. We've traded as high as 69 in the overnight. So it's set up as a nice little short at the close. We were short like 70, 70 half, depending on where people got in. And it gave us a nice little 10-handle move down. It was a nice little end of the day. But just like all these other moves down, they tend to be bought, and, it completely retraced itself. So what are we looking at going into today? Well, today is Fed Day. We had the Fed announcement at 2 o'clock. Janet Yellen gives a press conference 2:30. So, you've got the reaction, and then you've got the pause, and then you've got the press conference. One of the things that we were looking at yesterday was the hourly chart, specifically the hourly mid-band. And we had closed, aside from one bar back on the 11th, we had not closed below the hourly mid-band since, way back last Thursday. We spent a little time below it last night. So that's a little bit of a notch in the belt of the bears, just to say, well, we're here a little bit. And then we went and did 73 down to 59.25. And we retraced some of that. You can see that the bulls are in the process of trying to get that hourly mid-band back. If they're successful in doing so, that mid-band comes in at about 66.5. That coincides over on the 5-minute chart with VWAP, volume weighted average price. You can see about 20 minutes ago, we went ahead and tested that, bounced it up over proprietary moving average, back up over the 5-minute mid-band. So really, as far as this morning goes, my bull-bear dividing line comes in about 65, 66. You got the hourly mid-band coming through here, 65.5. You've got VWAP down here at 65. And if the bulls can establish this as a higher low versus here, go ahead and take out this high, so basically a move up over 69, then it puts the all-time highs back into play. And, we're looking at 73, and then we'll see what can happen from there. They typically like to walk things up into the Fed announcement. This would be consistent with that. What happens after that, we'll see. Don't try to game the announcement. Don't try to game the reaction. Let's see what the reaction range is and trade it from there. That's what we'll be doing in the room. That's what has served us very well for many, many years. Not trying to guess what it's going to do beforehand. That will get you messed up. So we'll see. Should be an interesting day. If the reaction is negative, then, all eyes are going to go directly to the Globex low down at 59.25 and whether or not they can break it. If the reaction is positive and you get up over 73, then what the bulls would need is for 73 to hold as support in order to be able to use that to propel another leg higher. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I will be out with a wrap-up at the end of the day. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.